Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Apple stock. First, research Apple's current stock price and financial health to make an informed decision. Next, you will need to open a brokerage account with a trusted platform. Many online brokers offer low or zero commission fees. Finally, fund your account with the amount you wish to invest, perhaps starting with a minimum of $100. This initial step sets the foundation for your investment journey. Opening a brokerage account is straightforward. Look for platforms known for user-friendly interfaces and strong customer support. You will typically provide personal information, including your social security number and employment details. Once approved, link your bank account to easily deposit funds. Some platforms might require a minimum deposit, often around $50, to activate your account and begin trading. With your account funded, you are ready to place an order. Search for Apple using its ticker symbol, APPLE. You can choose a market order to buy shares at the current price, or a limit order to set a specific price you are willing to pay. Enter the number of shares you want to buy, keeping in mind that some brokers allow fractional shares. Review your order carefully before confirming the purchase. After buying Apple stock, it is important to monitor its performance. Stay informed about company news and market trends that could affect your investment. Remember, investing involves risk, so consider diversifying your portfolio across different companies or asset classes. This helps mitigate potential losses. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check out the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.